import from Tally, you will have to add a small browser extension. So you will see a Tally browser extension. So click on Tally browser extension. It takes to your page. There, just click on install. So it will install a extension on your browser which enables for us to do the data import. Once your installation is complete, you will see, so you have to go to settings, click on extensions, and you will see this course unblock. So, and make sure it is visible. If you have just enabled this, the Tally data is allowed to come into from Tally to our application. Click on the integration file. What do I do next? Simple open Tally in the same system, nothing else. So in this case, I am showing here, you don't have to worry about whether it's in educational version, whether it is on a license, whether it is in the network, whether that period is to be selected. Nothing. All that you have to do is the company to which you want to import is to be loaded, nothing else. So once you have loaded this company, it will show up here in our list all of those companies. In this case, it is loaded. I know I'm doing for another company and I'm loading another company. You can import current year data, previous year data in a combined mode or in split mode also. Let's say many of the practitioners have the data getting split, so they will prepare a financials for 1 year and they split the data, and they just forward the next year as a separate Tally. So you can bring in the current year ones, you can bring in the previous year also in a separate import also, or if it is combined, you can bring in combined. In case you have done integration with inventory, so you can bring in the import of even the stock ledgers and all of those. So it's an option to you. If you check in your Tally, it would have, let's say, maintain inventory, and you want to bring in inventory, so you can use this option so that you don't have to pass any closing entries. Once I'm done, I'll click on import. So it is showing, look, this is a company name and you're opening some other company in Tally. Do you want to proceed? For a moment, I'll say yes. Okay, now my data is imported. So you just saw on a click of a button, my data is imported close to about 120 ledgers, financials it is, and about 90 plus have been auto classified. That means the system is able to classify all of these ledgers automatically to a particular note by itself.